How to become an entrepreneur. Before understanding how to become an entrepreneur, we at FinImpact think it's a good idea to define what exactly is an entrepreneur. According to Webster's dictionary, an entrepreneur is one who organizes, manages, and assumes the risk of a business or enterprise. The Oxford Dictionary defines it as a person who makes money by starting or running businesses, especially when this involves taking financial risks. Aren't these definitions describing what a new or current business owner is? So, what then is the difference between an entrepreneur and someone that owns a business or wants to start one? Well, both an entrepreneur and a business owner own a business. An entrepreneur isn't necessarily the one running it. Rather, by looking closely at what the Webster's and Oxford dictionaries are both emphasizing, we see the word risk. Specifically, the risk involved in the financial aspects of any business endeavor. An entrepreneur is not just someone starting a business and also taking upon himself the financial risk by investing his own money or taking a loan. An entrepreneur can also be the one who has only invested in a business, even when this business may not be his own idea. For example, Elon Musk, who most certainly is an entrepreneur, started PayPal and did everything that goes into starting a new business. Recently, Elon Musk bought Twitter, which is a company he didn't start and wasn't his idea. However, he did buy it, which we all know cost a lot of money. The fascinating thing here is that the money he used to buy Twitter wasn't his own, but rather he borrowed it, and along with that, took upon himself a tremendous amount of risk. If we look at other famous entrepreneurs like Richard Branson or Warren Buffett, we see a similar pattern. Individuals who started their own business, but then went on to invest in others, all the while taking upon themselves the considerable risk that comes along with investing and the taking of loans in order to do so. Risk and being an entrepreneur go hand in hand. So does starting your own business. But an entrepreneur sees a bigger picture. The starting of their own business is viewed as a stepping stone to acquiring or investing in other pre-existing businesses and becoming even more successful. How to become an entrepreneur has quite a lot to do with your perception and your ability to handle the stresses of varying degrees of risk. All the famous entrepreneurs all share one characteristic in common. They're not perturbed or intimidated by high levels of financial risk. With that being said, they also know how to start a business. To find out how to do so and discover more on how to become an entrepreneur, please click on the link in the description below. And to read more about any other subject, please visit www.finimpact.com.